Good morning all. Now we will see a case study topic on networks in data communication. Stop.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Nitani. I am explaining about introduction to data communication. The term technology means technology at a distance. The word data refers to information present, whatever from it up to the creating and using the data communication or the exchange the data between two devices, something or transmission media such as wire cable. Computer network. A network is a set of division connected by communication link. A mode can be computer, friend or any other device. Interface across the distance or a team information and local interface. And team as service interface the model such as functional call layers. Layers such as model organization as layer is a common called as
I am Jasmine. I am going to explain about Internet of Overview. The Internet is a gain network of networks. A network may include PCs and other devices like servers or printers. Early research was performed by US Department of Defense in 1962. The research group established ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency, in order to connect the US Defense Department network. Where did the Internet come from? Original aim was to create a network that would allow users of a research computer at one university to be able to talk to research computers at other universities. A side benefit of ARPANET's design was that because message could be routed and rerouted in more than one direction, the network could continue to function even if parts of it were destroyed in the event of a military attack or other disaster. The user of the Internet took a direction of their own. History of the Internet. The first long-distance communication took place in 1965 between a computer in MIT and California. In 1969, 4 computer lines were connected together via ARPANET. How old is the Internet? How old is the Internet? Leonard Kane Rock is the accredited with the idea of packet switching, which describes how data can be sent across a network. The Ethernet was developed by Xerox during this period. This was inspired by Robert Metcalfe's PhD on packet network. An Ethernet is a protocol of describing how computers can be connected in a LAN. Through the use of Ethernet and ARPANET, users were able to develop a working network. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, other networks were developed. TCP or IP Transfer Control Protocol or Internet Protocol is a set of rules that describe how computers can communicate over a network. To send information over the Internet, a computer packets data into Internet Protocol packets and labels them with the correct address. They are sent across a packet switched interconnected network. Thank you.
Ethan, I am going to explain about the classification of computer networks. Based on transmission mode defines the direction of single flow between two linked devices. There are 3 types of transmission mode: simplex, off-duplex and full duplex. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional among the stations. Only one can transmit and the other can only receive. In off-duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. In this, both stations can send and receive but not at the same time. In full duplex, both stations can transmit and receive simultaneously. Based on time and transmission type. Synchronized transmission. In synchronous transmission, both the sender and the receiver use the same time cycle transmission. We send bits one after another without start or stop, bits or gaps. It is the responsibility of the receiver to group the bits. Bit stream is delivered with a fixed delay and a given error rate. Each bit reaches the destination with the same time delay after leaving the source. Asynchronous transmission. In asynchronous transmission, we send one start bit at the beginning and one stop bit at the end of each byte. There may be a gap between each byte. Bit stream is divided into packets. Packets are received with varying delays. So packets can arrive out of order. Some packets are not received correctly. Based on authentication, peer-to-peer connection. In peer-to-peer network, there are no dedicated servers. All the computers are equal and therefore are termed as peers. Normally, each computer functions as both the client and the server. No one can control the other computers. Server-based connection. Most networks have a dedicated server. A dedicated server is a computer on a network which functions as a server and cannot be used as a client or a workstation. A dedicated server is optimized to service requests from network clients. A service can control the clients for its services. Thank you.
I am Mahalakshmi. Today I am going to explain about classification of computer networks based on geographical location. Local area networks. LAN is a small high-speed network. In LAN, few numbers of systems are interconnected with networking device to create new network. As the distance increases between the nodes of system, speed decreases. So it is limited to few meters only. Networks which cover close geographical area. LAN used to link the devices in a single office, building or campus. It provides high speeds over short distance. Systems are connecting directly to network. The LAN is owned by private people. Wide area network. WAN is a collection of network or LAN. This network speed is less than the LAN network speed. WAN network connect systems indirectly. WAN spread over the world may be spread over more than one city, country or continent. Systems in this network are connected indirectly. Generally, WAN network are slower speed than LANs. The WAN network are owned or operated by network providers. If it is owned by a single owner, then it is called an enterprise network. Often these types have combination of more than one topology. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is an extension of local area network to spread over the city. It may be a single network or a network in which more than one local area network can share their resources. Based on reliability. Reliability is maintained by authentication, connection oriented. This type of communication establishes a session connection before data can be sent. This method is often called a reliable network service. It can guarantee that data will arrive in the same order. Connection list. This type of communication does not require a session connection between sender and receiver for data transfer. The sender simply starts sending packets to the destination. A connectionless network provides minimal services. Topology. Topology refers to physical layout including computers, cables and other resources. It determines how components communicate with each other. Today's network designs are based on three topologies. Bus consists of a series of computers connected along a single cable segment. Star connects computer via central connection point or hub. Ring connects computers to form a loop. All computers, regardless of topology, communicate by addressing data to one or more computers and transmitting it across cable as electronic signals. Data is broken into packets and sent as electronic signals that travel on the cable. Only the computer to which the data is addressed accepts it. Thank you.